From the moment our ancestors first gazed up at the starlit sky, humanity has been driven by an insatiable curiosity. We yearn to understand the world around us, to unlock its secrets and unravel its mysteries. This quest for knowledge, this burning desire to explore and discover, has been the driving force behind countless scientific breakthroughs that have shaped the course of human history. These pivotal moments of eureka have not only expanded our understanding of the cosmos, but have also revolutionized the way we live, interact, and perceive our place in the grand tapestry of existence. This journey of scientific discovery begins with our early ancestors who, through observation and experimentation, made groundbreaking discoveries that laid the foundation for human civilization. From the harnessing of fire to the invention of the wheel, these early innovations forever altered the trajectory of our species. These seemingly simple discoveries provided our ancestors with warmth, protection, and the ability to cultivate crops, fundamentally changing the way they lived and interacted with their environment. These were not mere inventions, they were the building blocks upon which human society would be built. The spirit of inquiry that ignited these early discoveries has continued to burn brightly throughout human history, leading to ever more profound and awe-inspiring breakthroughs. As we delved deeper into the workings of the natural world, we began to unlock secrets that had remained hidden for millennia. The scientific revolution, a period of unprecedented intellectual ferment, stands as a testament to the power of human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Imagine a world shrouded in darkness where the only light comes from the flickering flames of a lightning-struck tree. Our early ancestors lived in such a world until they mastered the power of fire. Fire brought warmth, kept predators at bay, and allowed for the cooking of food, leading to improved nutrition and a decrease in disease. This mastery of fire was a pivotal turning point in human history, marking a significant leap forward in our technological advancement and forever altering our relationship with the natural world.
Fire brought us warmth and safety. It changed our lives in ways we could have never imagined.
The invention of the wheel, while seemingly simple, was no less transformative. This ingenious innovation revolutionized transportation, making it possible to move goods and people over long distances with greater ease and efficiency. The wheel paved the way for the development of complex societies and facilitated trade and interaction between different cultures.
With the wheel, we could travel farther and carry more. It opened up new possibilities for trade and connection.
This simple invention, with its ability to reduce friction and facilitate movement, became a cornerstone of human progress, its impact echoing through the ages in everything from the chariots of ancient empires to the modern marvels of transportation we rely on today. These early discoveries highlight the remarkable ingenuity of our ancestors and their ability to observe, experiment, and innovate. The mastery of fire and the invention of the wheel were not isolated events. They were testaments to the indomitable human spirit, the insatiable curiosity that drove us to explore, discover, and shape our world. The scientific revolution, which began in the 16th century, marked a profound shift in our understanding of the cosmos. This era witnessed a dramatic upheaval in the prevailing views of the universe and our place within it. No longer content to rely on religious dogma or ancient texts, scientists like Nicholas Copernicus, Galileo Galilei, and Isaac Newton dared to challenge established theories and explore the universe with fresh eyes and open minds.
With my telescope, I observed the phases of Venus and the moons of Jupiter. These celestial bodies orbited a body other than Earth, supporting Copernicus's heliocentric model.
Copernicus's heliocentric model, which placed the Sun at the center of the solar system, challenged the long-held belief in an Earth-centered universe. His work, though initially met with resistance, sparked a revolution in astronomy. Galileo, armed with his revolutionary telescope, provided observational evidence to support Copernicus's theory, observing the phases of Venus and the moons of Jupiter.
I developed the laws of motion and universal gravitation, providing a unified framework to explain the movements of celestial objects.
Isaac Newton, building upon the work of his predecessors, developed his laws of motion and universal gravitation, providing a unified framework to explain the movements of celestial objects and forever changing our understanding of the universe. Newton's work laid the foundation for classical physics and continues to influence scientific thought to this day. The scientific discoveries of the past continue to shape our world today. From the smartphones in our pockets to the life-saving medical technologies that extend and enhance our lives, we are surrounded by the fruits of scientific inquiry. The spirit of exploration and discovery that fueled the scientific revolution is alive and well today, driving innovation in fields ranging from artificial intelligence to renewable energy. The legacy of scientific discovery is not merely a collection of inventions or a body of knowledge. It is a way of thinking, a commitment to questioning, observing, and experimenting. It is this spirit of inquiry passed down through generations of scientists and thinkers that continues to drive us forward, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and shaping the future of our species. As we stand on the cusp of new frontiers in science and technology, we are reminded that the greatest discoveries are yet to be made, and the most profound questions are still waiting to be answered.